Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to set up multiple displays on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just want to share a multiple display. I just open my PC. I just want to extend this setting into different monitor. What I have to do here? So how to set up this monitor as a multiple display? What I have to do here? In your keyboard, just press Windows P key. Automatically it will move into project. So it will ask you PC only or duplicate or extension and second screen only. If you connect your screen to second screen, you can use second screen only. If you want to extend this one, just click extend option so that the screen will be moved from one place to another place. As you see here, the screen will be extended to another monitor. So if you want to move only the PC screen, or if you want to duplicate, just click a duplicate option. Automatically it will duplicate into another monitor. So it is a beautiful option while you want to extend the monitor to work for any other big software like Adobe After Effects or Premiere Pro or any types of editing, graphics, VFX softwares, or any types of work, multiple work you are going to do. Means use this option to extend your monitor so that it will be easy to see, the entire screen will be visible. So you can detect this option. What you have to do here, again, just go to start menu and just go to settings option. Once you go to settings option, there will be a display over there. So just type here this, find settings and display. Once you click here display settings, there will be a different types of display settings will be there. There will be a multiple displays are there. So just hit the button multiple display, just check box this both option. And if you connect your PC or your desktop to wirelessly, use a connect wireless display. So once you connect a wireless display, it will search for the any types of casting. For example, you want to connect this one to TV or connect this one to system or monitor or mobile phone, you can use this option. Or if you want to direct this one into another display, just click a detected. So any other monitor is connected, automatically it will detect and display over here. The second part is for most important, what I suggest for Windows P for project screen, you can use and project this option to screenplay and display, duplicate and extend it, and screen only you can use. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.